All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Arminda Baker, file number 21-20235FH. This is a date and time. Ms. Baker was taken into custody for a contempt of court. The contempt of court alleges that the defendant has failed to provide 2 times a week drug tests, and you were to resume testing on Monday and Fridays beginning April 30th of 2021. And that you have failed to do so. Do you understand those are the allegations against you, ma'am?
Yeah, well, no, not really, because I didn't know that I was supposed to, I asked my attorney if I was to comply the day I went to court with you on the 28th.
Miss Baker, I think I distinctly remember advising you to start doing this on that day. Now, I can pull the transcript. And that'll take me about a day. But I do remember having a discussion with you that day that if you didn't start doing that, you would be taken into custody.
Okay, I'm sorry. I misunderstood you somehow, but I had no problem doing the drug test.
Well, anyway, so do you understand that we're here on a contempt of court and the maximum penalty is up to 93 days in jail or up to $7,500 in fines? Do you understand that, Ms. Baker?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you currently under the influence of alcohol or any type of substance that would impair your understanding of these proceedings?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Now, you do have a right to have an attorney represent you at this and all subsequent hearings. If you can't afford to hire one, we can appoint you one at public expense. Would you like an attorney appointed to represent you?
Is it my attorney, Sam Malero?
Yes, on the file, but this is a contempt of court. And I have Miss Underwood here if you would like an attorney to represent you.
Yes, I'd be fine with her.
Oh, good. All right, so what I'm going to do is place you and Miss Underwood into a breakout room.
Your Honor, what is Miss Baker's next court date?
Not till September 22nd.
September 22nd. All right.
And I have 2 minor sons there.
Okay, Miss Baker, you just stopped talking. So her next court date is September 22nd at 8:30 in the morning for a pretrial. So
thank you,
Ms. Underwood. I'm going to open the breakout room and go ahead and join that.
Great, Your Honor.
Mr. Noy, I have one matter I'm handling right now, and then I will move to yours.
All right, thank you. We're ready when you are. Thank you.
Have a seat there. They should be signing in a minute, all right? Make sure that button, if it goes red, just touch that little triangle. Yep, that's what the volume is, yep. All righty.
Good morning. I have someone joining me from MDOC. Could I ask your name, please?
Cody Clark.
Okay. Hold on one moment, please.
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm looking up the date.
Yep. Mr. Clark, the last time we were here, we also had the same issue because we have not been able to receive verification that you've been fingerprinted on this new case. And because we hadn't received that, my staff had sent a notice of adjournment. Miss Adams, when is the next day that is scheduled?
Okay,
Hold on, sir. We're gonna get your information. Who is your attorney, sir?
Rhonda Underwood, the lady on the Zoom with us now.
Yep. Rhonda, since I have them here, do you need to speak with them or are you all set?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. One moment, please. Let me check.
yes, it's August 26th at 8:15.
So we adjourned it to August 26th at 8:15 and we did send notice to MDOC. I don't know, I don't have authority over MDOC, so I don't know what the delay is in getting you fingerprinted. I mean, it doesn't make sense to me, but I don't understand. So we've adjourned it for that. And perhaps if you can inquire within, we might be able to remedy that issue by the time we come back. All right?
Okay, I have a question, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
I sent in a letter to you previously on my own. I signed it. I wanted to know if you received it.
So if you did, it would have gone in the file and they'll pull that file for me probably a week before you come in. So I probably did receive it, but it'll be in the file for me. All right?
Okay.
Okay. Miss Underwood?
I will Zoom, Your Honor, with him, and that
Okay.
would probably be better.
Okay, so sir, I'm gonna keep you here because since I got you, Miss Underwood will take that advantage of that to speak with you, but I'm gonna do one matter before I do that, all right?
Okay.
All right, so Miss Underwood, back to the matter of people of the state of Michigan versus Arminda Baker. Have you had an opportunity to speak with Miss Baker?
I have, Your Honor.
All right, and Miss Baker, you've had an opportunity then to speak with Miss Underwood.
Yes, I have.
Are you satisfied with her as your attorney and the advice that she's given you?
Yes.
All right, so Miss Underwood, how would your client like to proceed today?
Your Honor, I would like the court to enter a not guilty plea on Ms. Baker's behalf to the contempt. And we would ask that this matter be set for hearing Baker's pretrial. As to that date, Your Honor, I suppose that if I would hope, Your Honor, the court would consider Ms. Baker is ready and willing to do testing, Your Honor. Ms. Baker works. Ms. Baker was not charged with any other crime. She lives in Hudson with her mother. Ms. Baker has a son who needs treatment at the University Hospital, I believe, U of M, Your Honor, that he missed while she's been in jail. Ms. Baker was in jail since the 11th in Ohio before they came and got her yesterday on this. Your Honor, she's had true time to consider her actions. And it's my belief that I would hope the court would consider releasing Ms. Baker to do her testing. And if she fails to do that, she can be picked up again, Your Honor. But let's give her a chance and keep the September date. And it's my belief the 10 days in jail she has spent, Your Honor, has been a true wake-up call, and she will do her testing.
And do we know why she was in custody in Ohio?
Well, they stopped, she was driving, or they stopped the car she was driving, and they saw this warrant, Your Honor.
Okay.
I don't believe she has anything in Ohio.
All right, Miss Adams, you said the next date, or we said the next day was September 22nd.
August
All right.
26th.
For Miss Baker,
Oh, no, I'm sorry.
it's September 22nd. Well, I'm looking at her bond conditions from March 4th of 2021, which in all caps states that upon release from jail, she is to set up 2 times a week drug testing. She didn't do that. We came back up here to circuit court, and she was once again advised that she hadn't been doing it and that she needed to start doing it, and she failed to do it. So at this point, she's had since March to do it, and she's failed to do so. Her charge
I didn't
is,
get out of jail till April 13th.
well, you're not talking right now. So she had ample opportunity to do drug testing and has just continuously failed to do so. So I'm going to leave her bond at 10,000 cash. I'll change it to 10,000 cash as surety with any requirement that she, no, 10,000 cash as surety. But at this point, I am not going to release her, and we'll see you back here on September 22nd at 8:30 in the morning.
Then can we
Can I
have
talk
the
to,
date- then can we have the date moved up, Your Honor?
No,
Would that
it's
be
my next
possible?
available date. She has every right to
Ma'am.
postpone. Thank you, Miss Baker.
may I talk with my attorney? Because I didn't get out of jail until April 13th.
All right,
You
thank
said
you,
March
ma'am.
4th.
Miss Baker, we're all done. We'll see you back on that date unless you postpone. All right, thank you, Miss Underwood. Now, Miss Underwood, I am going to open up a breakout room for you and your other client. And let's see here. All right, so we'll take advantage of him being here. All right, so sir, when you're done speaking with, well, when you're done talking to him, he can just disconnect. All right.
Judge, can you tell me the name of this person?
Is it Cody Clark? I don't even know the file number. He wasn't on for today, so.
All right.